Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to file business income tax returns. First, understand your business structure, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation, as this dictates the forms you'll use. Next, meticulously gather all financial records, including income statements, expense reports, and payroll information. This preparation is crucial for accurately reporting your earnings and claiming all eligible deductions and credits, helping to minimize your tax obligation. Choosing the correct tax form is essential for compliance. If you're a sole proprietor, you'll typically use Schedule C, Form 1040, to report your business income and expenses on your personal tax return. Partnerships, on the other hand, file Form 1065. For corporations, C-Corp use Form 1120, while S-Corp file Form 1120S. Each form serves a specific purpose based on your business's legal structure. Once you've selected your forms, the next step is accurately calculating and reporting your income and deductions. You'll need to determine your gross income from all business activities. Then, meticulously document all eligible business expenses, which can include everything from office supplies to employee salaries. After subtracting these deductions, you'll report your net income or loss on the designated lines of your chosen tax form, ensuring all figures are precise. Finally, it's time to file and pay. You can submit your business tax return electronically, which is often faster and more secure, or by traditional mail. Ensure you meet the filing deadline to avoid late penalties. If your business anticipates owing at least $1,000 in taxes, remember to make estimated tax payments throughout the year to stay compliant and prevent underpayment penalties.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.